Welcome to the session on lab programs of data science and its application. I am Dr. Anita DB, Associate Professor, ATME College of Engineering, Mysore. So now I am going to explain lab program 3. The statement is, a study was conducted to understand the effect of number of hours the students spent studying on their performance in the final exams. Write a Python code to plot line chart with number of hours spent studying on x-axis and score in final exam on y-axis. Use a red star as the point character, label the axis and give the plot a title. And this table gives the data of number of spent hours in studying and score in the final exam. Now, first we will discuss about the algorithm before writing the program. So in Python program, so first point is we need to import the necessary libraries or modules. So then the second step is create a list to store spent hours for study. Then create a list to store score in the final exam. Then next step is plot line plot, that is spent hours for study on x-axis and score in the final exam on the y-axis. Then label x-axis, label y-axis, give the title for the plot, and this is the algorithm. Now based on this algorithm, so now write the program. So this is the program. So the first step, as discussed in the algorithm, the first step is import the necessary Python library or modules. So here from matplotlib, import pyplot as PLT. So matplotlib is the library and pyplot is the module which is available inside the matplotlib library. So, and again, so we are using pyplot as PLT. So this line gives two concepts. One is we are importing pyplot from the matplotlib as well as, so instead of using pyplot in the entire program, so we will use it as a PLT because pyplot is a lengthy string PYPLOT. So instead of every time writing like PYPLOT, so we can write it as PLT. So we are importing pyplot from matplotlib and we are using pyplot as PLT in the entire program. Then the second step is create a list for spent hours and score in the final exam. So as per the given data, so create two lists and assign the values. Then the third step is plot line chart. So PLT dot PLOT, that is PLOT is the functions available in pyplot module. So here there are three things. One is the library, the second one is the module, and the third one is the function. So here pyplot is available in matplotlib library and plot is available in pyplot. So whenever we want to use a plot, so the syntax is PLT dot PLOT. So PLT dot plot of, so mention the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis is spent hours study, y-axis is score in the final exam. And the third parameter gives the style of the graph, that is R minus, sorry, not minus, hyphen, R hyphen star. R indicates red color, that is the chart you will get is in red color. Then hyphen indicates a solid line and star indicates the marker for every point. So instead of this like R hyphen star, even we can use like this. That is, color is equal to red, marker is equal to star, and line style is equal to solid. So then the fourth step is label x-axis, y-axis, and also the plot. So again, there are functions available inside PyPlot, and these are like X label, Y label, and title. So we can use this format plt.xlabel to give the label for x-axis, plt.ylabel to give the label for y-axis, then plt.title to give the title for the plot. So this is the program, and the program is mainly divided into 4 parts. The first one is import the necessary library. Second point is based on the given input, create a list. Then the third part is plot a line chart, and fourth part is label x-axis, y-axis, and the plot. Now, if you run the code, so we will get the line chart like this. Now, if you observe the line chart, so from this line chart, we can conclude that there is no linear relationship between score in the final exam and the number of hours spent in studying. So now I'm switching to the Spider platform where we can run the code and we will see the output. Okay, now I'm switching to the Spider platform. I've already typed the program in this platform. So that is the same program. So first step, import the necessary Python library. Second step, create a list for spent hours and score in the final exam. And the third one is plot line chart. And fourth one is label x-axis, y-axis, and the plot. And here we can run the code and we can see the graph. So in order to run this code, so just click on this triangle symbol. So now we will get the output. So this is the output graph and this is the line chart. As I told, that line chart indicates there is no linear relationship between score in the final exam and the number of hours spent in studying. I hope everyone understand this. Thank you.